Hey guys, and welcome back. I really hope you guys are doing good. So I feel like this look is super simple. You don't really have to use the palette that I used. You could use any palette that you guys have at home. That will work too. So if you guys would like to see how I created this simple cute look, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start by applying this color right here. This one is called Riff, I think. It's this really nice light brown, and I'm just going to be applying that right on the crease of my eyes, like so. I'm just mainly focusing on my crease. I'm just going to be applying Baja, this really nice orange color. And once again, I'm just going to be applying it right on the crease of my eyes. And I'm gonna make sure it's really nice and blended. So right now we're just focusing on the crease. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick this brown color. This one is called Punk. So I'm also going to be applying that right on the crease of my eyes as well. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and pick this color right here. This one is called Hell Ride. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it right on the crease. And I'm making sure all the colors are really nice and blended. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my lids. Then I'm gonna take this color right here. This one is called Blaze, and it's a really nice like light color. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over where I had applied the concealer. Then I'm just going to be applying some eyeliner. So now that I'm done with the eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this glitter right here. This one is by NYX. This glitter is not crazy, guys. You know how there's glitters that's just like too much? This one is like really simple, nothing too much, if that makes sense. So I'm going to use these lashes right here. So I'm just going to be applying some glue. Oh. The glue that I always use is the House of Lashes glue. So I'm just going to be priming my face with the Pore Freshenal primer. Oh. now I'm just going to be applying my foundation. I am going to be using this foundation right here. This one is the Hourglass foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my face. It feels good doing my makeup, honestly. I never really do my makeup. I'm always home, so there's like no need for me to do my makeup. But when I do my makeup, I usually just do it if I do have like a small little party to go to, or like an event or something. I don't know, but like how right now there's like hardly things to do, I don't really wear makeup. Like today, for example, I'm doing my makeup because it's my my suegro's birthday, so we're gonna do something for him, and I need to do my makeup. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna grab my camera real quick and record myself doing my makeup. So that's why I'm doing all this. Okay, so now I'm just gonna apply my concealer. I am using this concealer right here. This one is by Decay. So this concealer is one of my favorites, just so you guys know. So I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my entire face with this powder right here. So to bronze my face, I'm using this bronzer right here. This one is by Anastasia, and this one is in the color Mahorkani. Sorry guys, I don't know how to pronounce that name, but yeah, it's this really dark bronzer. Now for blush, I'm applying this blush right here. This one is by Benefit. This one is the Peach collection. Looks like this. It smells so good. So for highlight, I'm using this one right here. This one is by Becca. I'm just going to go ahead and apply just a little bit. I don't want too much on my cheeks, so we're gonna go ahead and apply just a bit. So I almost forgot to apply some shadow under my waterline, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. I'm just gonna apply this brown right here, right? Okay, so for lipstick, I'm just going to be applying this one right here. This one is by Academy of Color. I think that's what it's called. I got it at Kohl's. It came with like 4 of them, I believe, for only $5. So I had to get it. So this color is like a really nice like brown. Okay guys, so last but not least, I'm going to be setting my entire face with the Morphe setting spray. By the way, I went ahead and just put my hair in a ponytail. So I hate doing my hair in general. Like, I don't like straightening it or curling it or anything like that. That's why I just went ahead and did a ponytail. So yeah, I think we came to an end, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I feel like it's super cute and simple, and I feel like it's like an everyday kind of makeup, for me at least. So yeah, you could basically wear this makeup anywhere. It's super simple, easy to create, honestly. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.